In today's HealthCast, in the midst of widespread efforts to get people vaccinated against COVID-19, comes an issue that impacts about 7% of our population. It's a condition commonly referred to as needle phobia. It's a thing. Psychiatrist Dr. Arthur Bregman says his patients with this condition would rather avoid procedures altogether that involve needles, as well as vaccinations, even if it puts their own health at risk.
It's on the spectrum of anxiety disorders. So we would suspect that people who have anxiety disorders, generalized anxiety, social anxiety, panic disorder, those are the kind of people that may be much more prone to having a fear of needles as well.
Bregman says that therapeutic techniques as well as anti-anxiety medications can help ease the discomfort long enough to help patients get the necessary medical care and that all-important vaccine. Also today, the National Institutes of Health has started the final phase of clinical trials into the blood clot risk among adults diagnosed with COVID-19. The active 4 trials will answer some really critical questions about the proper use of blood thinners in the treatment of patients infected with the virus, especially those who suffer from life-threatening blood clots. Now, early on in the pandemic, researchers noticed that many patients who died from COVID-19 had formed life-threatening blood clots throughout their bodies, including their smallest blood vessels. The unusual clotting can lead to organ damage, as well as a heart attack, stroke, and sudden blockage in the arteries of the lungs.